Welcome to Vridhivej Finance, and we are presenting Redken Travels Technology Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, we have so many surprises for you in the December itself, and yes, absolutely wait and watch for this. What are our opinion about the stock market? What are our opinion about technologies? And yes, absolutely, you will watch on our YouTube channel. Please follow us so you can get updates on daily, not daily, at least weekly. We are uploading our videos. Very recently, our GMP prediction about Tarzan and Go Colors has become so true. We have uploaded 2 videos for the same. Just have a look around that. We are going to talk about RateGain Travel Technologies Limited company detail. This company has started in the year of 2012 on 16th November, and yes, this based in Delhi, New Delhi, Haryana. So they have changed their name, and they have 25th November 2014. They have agreement and demerger. The company business provide web-based solutions to hospitality and travel sectors of RateGain IT Solution Private Limited, and subsequently changed the name RateGain Travel Technology Private Limited in the 2015 25th February. So they have new received the new certificate from Private Limited to Limited RateGain Travel Technologies Limited 27 July 2021. The registered office is into the Greater M140 Greater Kailash Part 2, New Delhi 110048, Delhi, India Corporate. The corporate office is based on 5th, 4th and 5th floor, Price Global, plot number A345, sector 125, Noida 201301, Uttar Pradesh. For further information, log on rategain.com. So we are going to talk about how many hotels they are using their app, their DAST application. That is 1,90,000 hotels, 100 countries, booking 30 M's, where 400 channels, 10-year historical data, distributing over 200 billion rate and inventories annually. This is one of the app-based company which is giving the app solutions to the hotel business, hospitality, flight booking, rental your car. Basically, if you travel from one place to another place, how do you do booking and all? First you book the flight or train, then you will go that place, hire the car or the local transportations which is available. But if you go with the family, you do not want local one, you want something is private, you hire a car or any cab over there. So it's like that. Then you book the hotel for your leisure purpose. So this company is into that kind of technologies, giving you DAS application. Okay, so there are a number of subsidiaries in the countries: RateGain Technology Limited UK, RateGain Technology Incorporation USA, BCV Social LLC USA. Their total number of employees on the 30 June 2021 is 459 only. So and their milestones we are going to talk. 2012, this company has been registered. In 2014, Wagner invested in our company. Subscription 84,516 Series A triple CPS, and purchase of 105,645 equity shares for face value rupees 10 by way of Series A SSPA pursuant to the merger of RateGain IT Solutions Private Limited. The hospitality and travel business RateGain IT Solution Private Limited was vested into our company invested. In 2018, RateGain US, one of the subsidiaries, is acquired assets DHISCO Electronic Distribution Incorporation and DHISCO Incorporation entering into the asset purchase agreement date July 14, 2018. 2019, RateGain US is one of the subsidiaries has entered into the agreement and plan of merger date June 11, 2019 and indirectly acquired BCV Social LLC and its MarTech business. 2020, Avatar invested our company through subsidiaries of total 63,808 Series B CCCPS, our company in two tranches way of the Series B SSA. So we are not aware about what is there. All these short forms we will come back to you if you want exactly what is meaning of that. So we are going to talk about RateGain Technologies, what they exactly their product. So DaaS products. We provide customer with the access of rate intelligence that provide them real intelligence of the market. We acquire data through various sources including strategic partnership, purchase and web data acquisition. All our rate intelligence product series receives data from public sources website accessed by travelers as well as data received through partner API. Our image mapping solutions assist in identifying supply gaps in competing channel and together with our priority AI machine learning demand forecasting algorithm provide customer with differentiated pricing strategy based on a historical rate, business on books, piece, demand, competitive context, event weather information. We also provide user with historical insight that together with current pricing information allow customer to determine their price strategy. Our suites of DaaS products include competitive intelligence, AirGain. AirGain is an airfare pricing intelligence product custom created for airline industry. It is powered by big data and AI, offer pricing insight and competitive intelligence data, enabling airline to formulate revenue strategy with the latest market data. The fare evaluation tool track fare change for single departure date across particular booking window to provide historical analysis of how faster have evolved over particular period of time. So we are not as June 30, 2021, we track over 200 airlines, 50 meta research site, 170 OTA and over 700 website. CarGain. CarGain is a car rental market intelligence and parity audit products that provide solutions to benchmark competition and distribution partners. CarGain utilizing and benchmarks pricing of car rental products based on various rental categories and parameters like types of vehicle, origin, length of rental, etc. Users are able to generate configurable alert and schedule reports. As on June 30, 2021, we track over 35,000 locations to generate pricing information for our customers. FairyGain. FairyGain is an AI-enabled new age revenue management product designed specifically for ferries to provide them with accurate forecasting and pricing insight using various advanced machine learning techniques. By integrating with the booking engine, it is also offer price recommendation alert, allow user to provide feedback on price recommendation. We currently track rate for a large number of cruise ferry ships companies globally. Optima is a real-time rate intelligence platform that syndicates hotel software database with the smart data analytics. Optima enable user to compare competitor rate and OTA rank in real time along with the parity check reports. The market drone features track intraday rate change of hotel across devices. Optima is powered by DataSure, an artificial intelligence and machine learning driven data quality framework. It pushes the competitive and market rate intelligence notification to revenue managers on real time basis to advise of their choice. It provides details on intraday rate change and additional insight to assist with the pricing strategy. Lightning refresh feature instantly refresh rate within a minute through an intuitive system, and also allow on demand report generation. It has market comprehension indicators to improve yield and further a geography specific rate shopping capability and prevent various account exchange rate. It also has smart shopping capability including identification and restriction based on the length of stay, mobile rate tracking for a close user group, and advanced rule based on tracking of specific promotion and inclusion. It aggregates market data continuously from particular location and also provide a vacational rental Airbnb insight and from within identifying competitive set or market. Users are able to get actionable insight through a customized Excel sheet report and real-time notification as email alert as well as push notification on smartphone. Optimized currently available in 6 languages, with English, French, Japanese, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. Optima has awarded the Technology Innovation for the year 2020 by HSMAI Europe. Rate intelligence tour operator and package provider. Price gain package offer tailored intelligence according to requirement of a tour operator and package provider by giving them a real-time access to various competitive insight around the flight and accommodation pricing bundle. Rate intelligence for OTA. We offer OTA that customize and enable them track member rate and corporate rate across competitor and real-time price and discounts on online package and track negotiable rate, brand rate as well as across particular GDS, OTA, airlines and hotel. The rate parity. Rate parity is a critical driving booking and brand side. Travel industry supply often offer best rate guarantee to their end customer and assure mechanism to encourage direct booking. Lack of parity is often show up meta search site where prices for the same hotel readily compared and provide with the cheapest rate end up in an unfavorable situation in eyes of customer. Parity is a tool help measure effectively distribution and present data as seen by a hotel potential guest booker. The system presents insight across multiple parameters and also help identify key violator and highlights reasons for parity violation. The product offer intuitive closed loop rate parity solution for a hotel that analyze their rate parity status quo, define strategy to minimize revenue loss and help enhance brand reputation. It confirms the source of parity violation and also provide assistance to correct violation instantly. It contains single dashboard provide update parity violation in the event of different rates and different websites. This is a highlight of a dashboard and screenshot evidence such parity violation. All such violation are tabulated within filter that can use alert hotel corporate owners so that they may take appropriate action relating relating to such a violation. Users are able to receive insight into potential revenue loss due to rate and availability violation from various channels. Hotel can compare performance in a direct and indirect distribution channel and run on demands reporting against violation instance, validate and fix discrepancies. In addition, parity provides additional granular information for brand visibility and benchmarking against competitor. Airgain Parity Watch Tower. This product is a parity tracking solutions for airlines and enable online sell e-commerce team to manage revenue loss and also assist on invalidation of rate parity through a closed loop system. Users are able to generate customized report, determine percentage of disparity instance, violation of availability as well as violation of rate and percentage of rate parity violation for same itinerary. It provides an indicate value of revenue loss incurred due to all violation assuming end user booked through a different channel. It is also map consuming confidence by tracking loss of consumer confidence in the brand site owning own rate parity violation. Parity Watchtower. Parity Watchtower is a rate of parity tool for OTA and meta search site. It is provide market manager detailed rate violation and can generate information parity region. SCT at hotel level. It contains automated rule module allow us user define priority. User are able to get a smart alert to take action. Revenue optimization platform where they are giving via AI and ML. Price recommendation based on ML engine demand calculation, current forecasting, price sensitivity. Price engine, business price engine, price discovery engine, price optimization, market comprehension indicator, occupancy pickup, powered by RateGain data, powered by RateGain, social news events, weather, competitive benchmark and rate trend. AI package, our travel package price management system is a combination of historical and dynamic forward looking data. Using ML based forecasting, we are able to not only anticipate the demand but also evaluate the right pricing to maximize revenue, and the package provider that allow tour operator and package provider predict and optimize their pricing function through historical information and on basis of various factors including weather, event, news and trend that impact traveler experience. REVAI car, our revenue management solution, provide insight by analyzing historical data and indicators such as event, weather, city level demand to create a granular revenue strategy. It provides a single dashboard allow user to compare historical performance, track activity index and provide alert and collateral feedback to improve. Revenue AI Cruise. This solution is built specifically for the cruise and ferries industry. It is powered by data lake and intuitive user interface help revenue manager to develop their pricing and revenue strategy based on real-time demand. Demand AI is a dynamic in-house demand forecasting tools factor airline capacity, daily arrival on COVID-19 cases, vaccination, travel restriction on hotel price, hotel availability and travel bubble at the date level and to predict demand more accurately. This can be used by various segments are influenced by travel traffic like airline, hotel, local transport, event, attraction, airport, retail, food and beverage outlet. Besides other segment distribution product, our hospitality distribution products are tailor assist user with the decision making, connectivity and monitoring result real time. We provide integrated distribution channel management, CSR level connectivity, business intelligence, and content management. ResGain is an AI. ResGain is an AI-enabled smart distribution channel manager to help distribute availability rate and inventory generated additional revenue opportunity. It is one-stop channel management solution for online distribution and provide end-to-end two-ways integration with PMS, CRS, RSM, tour operator, GDS, bed bank, wholesaler, and OTA. It shares inventory across channels, provide real-time update. Inventory is sold. Users are able to customize by configuration appropriate rule basis, occupancy, and closeout to maximize revenue. ResGain comprises intuitive dashboard on key productivity matrices and undertaken enterprise level analytics and provide real-time currency conversion and number OTA are able to integrate with the ResGain. It assists in mapping, translating content for each type and localize multiple language. On June 30, 2021, connect with whatever we have started 1,90,000 hotel property with over 70 demand channels. ResGain supply partner including various hotel hospitality chain with the various OTA and the demand partner. ResGain is created link between such as a supplier and partner demand partner too. So we are going to talk about DHIS SEO switch. This is a switch pro DHIS SEO switch provide mission critical connectivity, enable hotel and drive reservation connected hotel hospitality chain demands channel advanced switch technology. DHIS SEO smart caches technologies. CRS is maintain optimal performance, reduce load and data originator hotel CRS system by providing rate availability data server respectively requested by OTA on real-time basis. It provides change hint notification, ensure user channel are up to date with available rate, inventory, API connectivity, OTA. Our API connectivity ensure property owner and distribute property across OTA simultaneously in a real time. So this is all about. We are not going to talk about more things on DaaS solutions, which is given by RedGain Technologies. There are really lot of things where they are tracking etc. on based on AI enabled solutions. IPO detail of RedGain Travel Technologies Limited. IPO detail. IPO opening date will be December 7, 2021. IPO closing date will be 9 December 2021. Issue type is book build issue. IPO face value 1 rupees per equity share. IPO price bind between rupees 405 to 425 rupees per equity share. Market lot will be 35 share. Minimum order quantity 35 share. Listing at NSE BSE. Basis of allotment date 14 December 2021. Initiation of refund 15 December 2021. Credit of share to your demat account 16 December 2021. IPO listing date will be 17 December 2021. Subscription prediction by Vriddhi Finance for RedGain Travels Technologies Limited IPO. We are expecting this subscription happen between 45% minimum and maximum 77%, or it can touch up to somewhere 90% too. Please keep watch on a grey market strategy. Thank you by Vriddhi Finance. We will come back to you with another IPO GMP. There are 3 IPOs opening on the first week of December.